This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Trust Wallet to buy crypto, full guide. Open the app and secure your recovery phrase before you start. Create or import a wallet, enable biometrics, and set a strong PIN. Fund the wallet using a debit card or bank transfer through the integrated on-ramp or send crypto from another wallet. Finally, search for the token, confirm fees, and complete the purchase securely. Open the Buy tab, pick your fiat method, and choose the crypto you want to buy. Enter the exact amount, review network fees, and observe price impact or slippage warnings. Follow provider prompts to complete payment using a debit card or bank transfer. After purchase, the tokens appear in your wallet. Monitor confirmations and verify balances. If swapping, set a safe slippage tolerance and approve transactions carefully to avoid unexpected losses. If this guide is helping, please subscribe and like the video to support future content. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle is my go-to for staying hydrated during long crypto sessions, and its leak-proof design makes it perfect at a desk or on the go. I linked it in the description along with other deals, so take a look if you want one. Thanks for saving the spot. Now let's get back to the video. Treat your recovery phrase like the ultimate key and never enter it into a website or share it. Use biometrics and a strong PIN to protect the app on your device. When interacting with new tokens or contracts, send a small test amount first to confirm everything works. Keep your app updated, verify contract addresses, and consider a hardware wallet for large balances to add another layer of security and peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.